So there's a few more words that I'd like to say in regards to this AI friend necklace and all those clones there probably will come up soon if it goes mainstream. As I was doing a little research, I found a piece of the interview with the friend AI necklace founder, and I'm not gonna play it all in order not to waste a lot of time, but what makes it creepy is that he says that it's like God. And I've heard lots of people say that AI and everything that is being done with AI is like an attempt to create a digital God, a replacement of the inner source, inner creative source, should I say, which each and every one of us has. And trust me, God is not an algorithm. I would much rather sit in loneliness and live in loneliness than listen or read anything and everything that this algorithm, which is designed to suit me and which is designed to tell me that I'm always right, what it has to spit out and say or generate. That's the best term to describe it, I guess. I think this is too much at this point. You can have your, dystopian ads where everybody's smiling, and it's all so good and great because nothing can go wrong with this stuff. But at least try to keep religion out of it. And yeah, while he says that it's like God, there's another article of a lady who says that I tried the viral friend necklace everyone's talking about, and it's like wearing your senile, anxious grandmother around your neck. So you can see that the feedback on this thing is like completely opposite, should I say. And it's kind of funny. You can search this article, and it's pretty funny stuff in a way. We're like, we're living this time where we are balancing on this thin line between psychosis and sanity, like sanity and insanity. And this line is getting like more blurry by the day. By each day, this type of tech is implemented into each and every field of activity. So I should also remind you why you should not rely on the AI chatbots, neural networks, LLMs, call it whatever the hell you want to call it. Some time ago, there was a story circulating the internet, the web, that a chatbot encouraged a 14-year-old to unalive himself. And you can read it out right here. I'm not gonna, waste much time, but long story short, and it's not the only story, is that mostly due to the fact that that AI chatbots are programmed and designed to go along with your trail of thought, and they do not criticize you. They don't say that you're wrong. They never do that. Well, almost never, should I say. Depends on the topic, really. But these are just examples of why you should keep your kids away from this tech and be more aware of what they're actually doing. It's not just kids. The article mentions another, like young Ukrainian woman with poor mental health who received suicide advice from ChatGPT. There's another article. It's better to call a real person, to communicate with a real person, than with a soulless chatbot. And it's never too shameful to speak out the feelings, the hard feelings, to talk about your pain. And trust me, you will never be shamed for doing that. I am one of those people who, since childhood, due to my surroundings, as I also come from Ukraine originally, I was always silenced when I was talking about my feelings. And then when you grow up, you're advised, whenever you try to speak about your feelings or problems or sensitive topics, you always get like advice, like go ahead and talk to the therapist, as if it's some kind of placebo. I don't need a therapist. I need a real human being by my side who I can trust. Because, it seems to me that we're living in a day and age where main currency, it's not money, it's not even time. What it really is trust. It's almost like impossible to trust a single person these days. Like a girlfriend who can dump you at any time, or can turn on you if you care too much. Or like an employer who doesn't give a crap about you. You're just an expendable resource. Or like these HRs and all these hiring processes where you have to undergo several stages and waste time and effort just to get rejected or even ignored. Therapist is just like another ChatGPT, specifically for me, just wrapped up in a human skin. It even has a subscription plan, I guess. Not monthly, but per session. But that's not the point. The main point here is that if you have deep worries, deep stress, if you're feeling down and depressed and, overwhelmed, you have two options, really. Option number one, keep it all inside, and the consequence of that is just gonna eat you and destroy you from the inside. Or option two, which is more suitable for me personally. I can speak for everybody else. To let it all out, to let it go. If you're pissed about something, at least make a video and tell and speak about it. Say it out loud. If you're worried about something, same. Don't keep it inside. This is like, it's the worst possible solution, I guess. So make them give a damn. Make them give a damn about you. Don't hold it inside. Just don't. I don't even want to imagine the society or how it will look if everybody wears those types of necklaces. This future is not for me. I am removing myself from this kind of game because it's so sick and twisted at this point in time that I don't want to continue playing it. And I know for a fact that I'm not alone in this. So, yeah, all I wanted to say is that say it how you feel it and say what you mean and mean what you say. I guess this is a quote from the Interstate 60. Cool movie, by the way. Anyways, that's all for today, and thank you for staying with me. Till next time, peace out.